Today we're starting our $1,000 in 1 week challenge. Just got my first order. It's a shipped order at Target. Probably do some Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub as well. Let's go. Alright, we dropped off that first shipped order. Dropped off the bags, took the picture, sent my outro message. On the way to drop off the second order, I got a DoorDash order for $11, 7 items, Dollar General. This drop off is just a little past my customer, so it worked out perfect. I'm actually at Dollar General now. Wish me luck. Alright, we just took care of that shipped order and that DoorDash order. As long as I get that bonus, that'll be an extra $5.50 for each of those shipped orders. So that'll be another $11. Uber's coming in now. Right, so I did end up taking that Uber Eats order. It was like $9, 8.5 miles. And then on the way to Bubba Cool's, the restaurant, I got a DoorDash from Bubba Cool's as well for like $4.50 or $5. But it was right on the way to drop off my Uber Eats order. About to go get them orders. Picked up those 2 orders from Bubba Cool's, the Uber Eats and the DoorDash. Dropped off that DoorDash order. Quick, easy, smooth, on time. And we dropped off the Uber Eats order. That was on time as well. So no harm, no foul. After I dropped off that second order, I immediately got another Uber Eats order for $10, about 8 miles or so. On my way to pick up that order, I got an add-on for $5 DoorDash. It was right on the way. I picked up the first Dutch's order, headed on over, picked up that DoorDash, went across the street, picked up the KFC, and now I had all 3 orders, 2 Uber Eats, 1 DoorDash for about $20 total. And like when I was 5 minutes away, I seen the road was closed. So I'm like, no. So I had to take like a detour, which added like 5 minutes to the delivery, that first drop off. So now I'm heading on over to Target. It's about to be 5:30. This will get me to 4 shipped orders. I want to do 7 today if possible, so I only have to do 7 tomorrow. Alright, enough talking. Gotta charge my phone a little more so I can get to shopping. Update you guys soon. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Oh, nah. This will get us to like $80. We will have done 4 shipped orders, so that'll be an extra 22 as long as we do 14 by tomorrow. Let's go. Alright, so it's about 6:20 now. There were about 5 items out of stock at least. So you just recommend stuff quick, keep it moving. Don't just waste time standing there texting them, waiting for a text. No, you gotta keep moving. Took care of those 2 orders. When I was getting the last few items, I seen there was another Target order. So before I accepted the order, I checked the 2 items that the customer ordered to see if they were in stock. They weren't in stock. So I was initially planning to deliver that order, but once I seen they weren't in stock, I figured I could get half pay just for letting Shipt know that I can't deliver the order and to cancel it. So I'm currently waiting for Shipt to cancel it and give me the half pay. I think they just messaged me. I'm going to check that now. I should get like $5 extra for the canceled order, but hey, every little bit counts. Update you guys soon. Alright, it's currently 7:11. Could go for a slushie. I took care of those 2 shipped orders, dropped off the second one at 6:50. So I had 10 minutes to spare, thankfully. If they were late, they wouldn't have counted for the bonus. So after I dropped that off,
I started driving to my main work zone, and I ended up getting 3 shipped orders. So I'm currently at Target, a different Target this time. They have a better fruit, veggies, and meat selection in this store, thankfully. So I got these 3 orders. I got to deliver them by 9. So with the bonus pay, it'll be like $59.50. So that'll be nice for under 2 hours. Get about $60. Let's go get some groceries.
Still working. It's currently 8:50. I took care of those 3 shipped orders. I shopped for all 3. I just delivered the third one. So while I was in the store, I ended up taking 2 more shipped orders. So I actually shopped for 5. The 2 that I added had a later delivery window of between 9 and 10 o'clock. The first 3 were between 8 and 9 o'clock. Like I said, it's 8:50. I just finished those 3. While I was shopping for the orders, man, customers had like special requests. Could you get me this memory foam travel pillow, neck pillow? Could you see if there's any more containers like the glass one I ordered? I want more. Could you get me onion powder instead of garlic powder? And then a bunch of stuff was out of stock, so I had to keep sending substitutions. But like I said earlier, you just got to make a quick decision and keep it moving. So if something was out of stock, I said, hey, you want this instead? Hey, this is out of stock. I apologize for the inconvenience. Feel free to let me know if you'd like something else. Just keep it moving. Time is money. You don't want to waste time. So the 2 orders that I added on were like 4 items each. So they were mad easy. And they were on my way home after the 3rd drop off, so it was perfect. So I'm on my way to drop off these 2 orders. Update y'all after that. All right, it's almost closing time. We're getting close to the end of our shift. So I dropped off the 4th and 5th shipped order. It's currently 9:22. I dropped off the 5th like 5 minutes ago. The first 3 orders though, those turned out really good. I was not expecting this. So as soon as I turned the camera off and I finished filming, I had 3 tips come in from those 3 orders I just dropped off. Not only that, but I also got 3 preferred member requests. Woo, killing it. If you go out of your way for the customers, it makes a big difference. That was nice. I'm happy about that. So I'll add up all the earnings for today. We should be over 160 so far. We did do 9 shipped orders, so that's gonna be an extra $50 right there. As long as I do 5 orders tomorrow, so that'll get it up to like 210. I'm about to get some food. I'm thinking maybe Chick-fil-A. I know I said I gotta eat better, but yo, it's better than McDonald's. This is only part 1. We got all week. Every day I'm gonna be filming a video. We gotta hit 1K this week. If we don't hit 1K, somebody comment a punishment for me to do down below. Let me get some food. I'll update y'all shortly. Let's go. I ended up getting some Chick-fil-A. Ooh, that's pretty good. So I got all the results here so far. So I just checked my mileage tracking app. It said approximately 110 miles driven today. I worked 7 hours, 15 minutes. As long as I do those 5 orders on Shipt tomorrow, the totals for today will actually be $215, 7 hours, 15 minutes, and 110 miles. So those are really good numbers in my opinion. I'll take that for Monday from uh, 2 to 9. It's not bad. So this is only day 1 of the challenge. We still have about $800 more to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you feel. Can you get me onion powder instead of garlic powder? Today we're starting our 1,000.